India is positioning itself as low-cost supplier of critical defense equipment, including artillery ammunition as global demand surges. According to reports, India is capable of producing 155mm artillery shells for just $300 to $400 apiece, less than one-tenth the price of comparable Western-made munitions. The United States Air Force has stationed B-1B Lancer bombers in Japan for the first time since the Vietnam War, strengthening U.S. military presence in Asia by incorporating long-range strike capabilities, including bombers, ground-launched missiles and hypersonic weapons. Russia's United Aircraft Corporation has delivered new batch of Su-34 fighter bombers to Russian Ministry of Defense. The delivery includes aircraft that have passed a complete cycle of factory testing and were transferred to an operational airbase following successful flight evaluations. South Korea is positioning its K-9 Thunder self-propelled howitzer as potential cornerstone of Canada's ongoing military modernization program, offering an alternative to U.S.-made artillery systems. The move comes as Canada accelerates efforts to modernize its armed forces, including procurement of new artillery capabilities.